Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today's video we have to manage with Imole. She refused to stand by anybody giving her a tablet. The magic didn't work today, so today she's sitting down with mommy while the video is going on. What are we talking about today? 7 creative ways to raise capital for your business. When I talk to people, what they want to know is, how do I raise capital for my business? People come for my consultation and we're talking about business. Some people would tell me they have business ideas, but they don't have the capital to do the business. So today, let's look at creative ways to raise the capital. The first one, number 1, gifts and friends from family. When you're starting a business, depending on how big the business is or the capital you need, you may source for gifts from friends. If you're starting a small business, let's say what you need is just about 100,000 naira or 500,000 naira. What you need is get a friend that can give you the money. Let's assume that you don't have friends that can give you 100,000. What I've taught someone to do before was to send message. She came to me that she needed 250,000 naira to start a business, and I said I can give her 250,000 at that time. But what if she sent message to 10 friends or 20 friends that could give her 20,000 or 10,000? So I gave her 20,000, and she sent message actually to 10 or 15 friends, and they gave her 20,000. That solved the problem. What she needed was 250,000. If you go to one person to give you 250,000, the person may not have 250,000 to give to you. I'm talking about friends now. I'm talking about friends and family. So if you look at 10 uncles, 10 sisters, 10 aunties, they can give you 20,000. Before you know it, you get your 250,000. Instead of relying on one uncle to give you 250,000, it may be too much a lump sum for some people. But I see that the easiest way to get that money for you to reach out to 3, 4, 5, or 10 family members and friends. So gift is one of them. The second one is loan. Loan puts pressure on you, more pressure on you. But you're sure you have done your feasibility report, you're sure of your business plan, then you can go for loan. Because for loan, maybe you need a much higher amount of money. All you need is, okay, I need this amount of money. I want to analyze the person that can give me the loan. Then you have to go and defend why the person should give you loan. Loan from family is very helpful because the responsibility of I want to pay back is there. That's the only pressure, and you want to meet deadline. But it's not like bank where you're paying interest, and the pressure will be so much on you. The only thing I will say is go for loan from friends. Please be someone of integrity. What we have found, or from my own experience, is that a lot of people do not have integrity, so they don't pay back the loan they. Please be a person of integrity. If you get a business loan, even if you can't make it at an appointed time you have promised, let the person you got the loan from know that you can't raise it at that. Number 2 is getting loan from the bank. Another place you can get a loan is from the bank. But we found that most times, as a starter, it's difficult for you to get loan from the bank. And when you look at the collaterals they're talking about, however, if you have the collateral, perhaps your parents are willing, if you are just starting, your parents are willing to give you their landed property, or you have some landed property that you want to use as collateral, and you're very sure of your feasibility report, you're sure of your business plan, why not? You can go and give it a shot. Loan from the bank, the interest sometimes can be so high, but I think if you try out mortgage bank, their interest rate is actually lower. But both mortgage and commercial bank, you have this pressure because you're just scared, will you be able to make it and all that. But then if you're sure of your feasibility report, you have done your business plan, and you really need to start the business, you can try out banks and get a loan from the bank. But for me, I actually do advise starters not to go to the bank for loan. I'd rather you do loan from family and friends if you must get loan at all. Number 3 will be selling what you have. Some people don't like hearing this at all. I remember a friend of mine, she wanted to start a business at a time, and she and her husband decided that they were going to sell their wedding ring. She had gold wedding ring, sold a gold wedding ring. In 6 months, she was able to buy a better ring. Someone said it's a cost. Who said it's a cost? You know what you want. You want to start a business and you have this iPhone of 500,000 or 250,000. And what you need is just 250,000. You can sell the iPhone and get Android for that moment. Or you can check things in your house that you don't need that you can sell. For me, I don't see anything wrong or anything bad in selling what you have, start a business, things that you don't necessarily need at that time. I have another friend that sold his car, start a business, and in 1 year he was able to buy a better car. So you know what you have at home or what you have that you can sell to raise capital to start your business. Don't sell what will affect you as a business person. For instance, if the business you're doing requires that you have a car, there's some customers, some clients you're going to, and if you don't have a car, it will affect them. So if your business you're doing requires that you have a car, I would not advise you to go sell the car that you have to start a business. I would advise you to go for loan or to try some other method I'll be talking about here instead of selling the car. So you must know what is it you can sell that will still not affect you when you start the business. So look around you. Look within. What is it you can sell? Some people have landed property they have bought that they are hoping that it will appreciate and all that, or it will continue to appreciate. If you have done your business plan, your feasibility report, and you see that, oh, if I sell this land at this time, I can buy better land sometime soon. Why not? You can go sell the landed property and start the business. So you have to weigh your risk. Starting a business, venturing into business is a risk. But when you do your feasibility report, when you look at your business plan, you can decide that, okay, I have weighed the risk involved. Let me sell this particular property and start the business. Number 4, angel investors or venture capitalists. An angel investor is someone who has the money to give you and will probably be asking for equity. They don't want, most of the time, they don't necessarily have to be your board of directors. They will just ask you for equity. And angel investors most time are very helpful. Some of them can even link you with venture capitalists, but what they give you is minimal. Maybe you need 10 million, maybe you need 5 million. So but angel investor has the money to invest in your company. So you have to go and defend your business. So you must have a solid business plan. You go and defend your business with the angel investor. And if the angel investor buy into the business, is ready to give you the money, and that is not a loan, all you need to give the person is an equity in your business. Maybe you'll be sharing the profit, you give them share return on investment with them. Okay, that's what angel investors do. Venture capitalists are companies that get money from other investors. So they get money from people giving them money already know that what they do is give loan to startup businesses. So waiting for return on investment. So they are much more aggressive. They want to be on your board. They want to see you doing well. They want to know everything. You must be accountable to them. And sometimes they are so aggressive that they will be looking for an exit plan for you. If you really need huge money to start your business, another way to go is super angels. Now, super angels, they are also angel investors, but this time around they have huge money to give to you. With super angels, their condition is very flexible. They are not as aggressive as venture capitalists. They may not even want to still be on your board, but then they may, of course, you have to be accountable to them, and it can be in the long run. They allow you to run your company in the long run. So you need to really make your choice. Who do you want to go approach? You want to approach an angel investor, a venture capitalist, or a super angel. You need to make your choice from those 3 people and approach them. Angel investor can actually be a friend or a family, people you know. They can actually be angel investors. An angel investor can also be people you don't know at all. You just need to do research on angel investors in your community or even outside your community, and you go reach out to them. Number 5, you can also get loan by entering into competition. You must be able to live in your community and the world to know what's happening if you're looking for startup capital. For instance, in my country, Nigeria, about 2-3 years ago, I was involved in training Shopee, where you do the training for them. After their training, some of them will apply for, I've forgotten what they call that particular project, and some of them got 10 million, 5 million to be able to start their project. And it's not a loan. It's not a loan. The government is giving them that startup capital. Is a way the government is helping them. Sometimes CBN do stuff like that. And even if they are not giving you this money, I think the government in power, President Buhari's regime, they did something like that as well. So all you need to do is to be open to know what is happening in your country. Number 6 is start a smaller business. Now, what I mean is you have a project, a bigger business. Like about 10 years ago, when I started a business, I had a dream of someday I was going to run the school. But 10 years ago, I didn't have money to run the school. So what I did was to start small businesses. I started with church car business. I ventured into internet business. I started growing my capital. But now that I have the confidence, I have the capital, I now want to run a similar business to the school I want to run 10 years ago. Because it's now 10 years apart, it's not going to be the educational school that I have a plan for before. I now want to run an entrepreneurship school. It's coming, we are unfolding very soon. In the next 6 months, we are going to start what I want to now start. Number 7 is join a network marketing business. Talking about network marketing business, some are into products, some are cryptocurrency, different. Network marketing is a business providing product and service but using network marketing model. So you join because you want to raise capital for your business. But if you join a network marketing business, you must be good in marketing. So if you're good in marketing, I would recommend that you join a network marketing business, raise money, and go start a business. I've joined a network marketing before. That was why I said for me, I enjoyed the journey, my own journey, because I remember joining a network marketing business in 2016. I was able to make more than 100 million naira. That's good enough for anyone that wants to start a business. So for me, I had so much fun along the line. So you can join a network marketing business, and I made that money in 1 year, that more than 100 million naira in 1 year. So you can join a network marketing business, make money 1 year, 2 years, and go start your dream business. So I recommend, if you're good in marketing, that's a good option for you. Number 8, I said 7, but as you know me, most times when I say 7, I like to give you extra. So number 8 for me will be information marketing, starting an information marketing business. Now, information marketing business is a business of providing knowledge. So let's assume that the business you want to start is about candle making or soap making or chalk or fish farming. What if you start selling information how this works before to raise money? I've done that over and over. If you can start, if as a matter of fact, any person who have interest in business will have interest in providing knowledge for people. What about if you write products, digital products? It doesn't even have to be on what you want to start. It's something you can research on. You write digital products and provide information for people. It's one of the quickest way I know of raising money for capital. I learned information marketing from my mentor, Dr. Sonny Obazo Jagbase, and it's a business I've added to whatever I've been doing. As a matter of, I love the business. If I have a project to raise 10 million, for instance, what I do is to set target for myself. I'm going to write this information product, I'm going to sell this product, and I'm going to raise my 10 million. The same thing, like I'm doing a one-on-one training for some people. You can still join. The opportunity is still open for those who want to learn how to sell digital products online, how to sell information products online. In July, I'm going to be doing one-on-one with some people that we're going to use Zoom still, COVID-19. I'm in my own. It's something I've done over and over, I've done for years, and I love it. It's one of the easiest way. So for me, I don't go to bank, I don't go to people. I use that method a lot when I want to raise capital. Of course, I've gone to people before, don't misquote me. I remember in 2013 when I lost 18 million, I went blank. So what I did, well, it's not as if I went to people to get loan. I wrote a book. I wrote business lessons. I wrote a book around my experience, because the book is exhausted now. My book, Business Lesson, is my giveaway on my blog, loveoladele.net now. So if you want to get a book and get experience of how I was defrauded of 18 million and what happened, and some mistakes I've made in business, and some other business owners, their business mistake, you can go to loveoladele.net. I'll just leave the link and you can download the book for free. Okay, so I wrote a book titled Business Lesson, where I shared my experience of my losses, and I interviewed some business owners to share their mistakes with us. It's a fantastic book. I'm going to now be able to print the book that year. I went to people and said, I have written a book, I'm pre-launching the book. How much would you be willing to support me with? So I got people who supported me with 25,000, 50,000, 100,000, 10,000. So from that, I was able to raise money to print the book, and I was able to get back into business. So that was the method I used that year. So I hope you have learned from this video. I hope you're going to pick one of the method and start. No more excuse. Capital. I've given you 8 creative ways now to raise capital for your business. Go raise that capital, start that business, market your business. I want to patronize you. Those who know me, I love to patronize my fans. Tell me about your business. I will be willing to patronize you. And I'm sure other listeners will be willing to patronize you as well. Yes, we want to know about your business. You should be happy when your friends are busy making money. And that's me. I am happy when my friends, my fans, my family, everybody that knows my name, Love Oladele, when you are making money, I am happy. That's what I want for you. Do that business, make the money, make the society better, make the world a better place. Thank you for watching. If you have enjoyed this video, please subscribe on this channel. Leave us a comment, click on the notification button so that when I post videos every Thursday, you'll be able to get the notification, and also like the video. It gives me joy to know that people like what I'm doing. Thank you again for watching. My blog, loveoladele.net. Instagram is loveoladele official. Let's connect. See you.